Tip of the day, if you're doing a chain link fence and you're working on a roll and you're doing some bending on some top rail and every once in a while you have a little dip and it's popping up, and go ahead and throw a Tek screw in your eye top and your top rail right there. And if you're going back that other way and you think it's going to rise, go ahead and toss one right there too. And when you get to your makeups, put one of these Tek screws, at least one, in your rail end. Put one in your brace band so it doesn't twist and get your rail knocked out of line. And always make sure you're centered up where your rail end comes in, going both ways, and you won't get a twist. So make sure that's dead center in the middle of the post. Tighten your nut and bolt up, and then go ahead and put a Tek screw in each one of these brace bands, and I like to put one kind of close to here so it's a little tighter on the twist so it doesn't buckle. That helps tighten things down and really keep them in place. That way your line won't get knocked out. You won't lose your top rail. You won't have any problems with your fence kind of pulling in and over. And all the line posts will help support the top rail from getting bent out anywhere else. And your fence will stay lasting longer and looking much better for the rest of the time it's up. So anyway, that's the tip, and see you in the next video.